Hi everybody, this is Chris the Nerd Freak and welcome to my channel. Today's video, we are going to open up some more Pokemon Booster Packs. I noticed that some of you actually liked the last video of me opening up some Pokemon Booster Packs, so I thought that we should do some more of that because it's actually quite fun. Also, if you want me to show you some of my Pokemon collection, like the ones I had from last year and the year before that, then please let me know because I'll be honored to show you some of them. Also, if any of you are interested in art and animation, all that kind of stuff, then you should check out my social media. The links will be in the description down below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here's the promo card of the Galar region Zapdos from the Pokemon Sword and Shield game. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually liked the Galar region version of the legendary bird Pokemons, including Zapdos. It's just a shame that this version of Zapdos cannot fly, but he's pretty fast. Wait a minute, is Zapdos a boy? A male Pokemon? Or a female Pokemon? Actually, I think none of the legendaries actually have a gender. I don't think they actually mentioned if it's a she or a he, so who knows. And we got 5 booster packs of the Crown Zenith. And as you can see, it has Zamazenta and Zacian. I'm not gonna lie, I actually liked Zacian. I think Zacian's design was pretty cool, especially when he has a sword in his mouth. I also like Zamazenta because obviously his its mane becomes like a shield, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I think Sword and Shield was one of my favorite games. I'm not gonna lie to you guys because I just feel like it was just unique. Same for Pokemon Sun and Moon. I actually think those games were pretty unique. A lot of people didn't like those games, but I personally liked actually, was it the newer version? No, it was the Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Those were my favorite ones. Especially when they introduced Rainbow, Team Rocket. That was pretty cool. Time for the card trick. Here's 4 at the back. Here, 4 at the back. Dark Energy. Sorry, I gotta look at the card just for 1 sec because it's hard to look at this when it's backwards, especially when you're recording it. So, Tracking shoes. Okay, whatever. Okay. Lunaton. Is that the Pokemon from one of the old games? I think it was from Ruby and Sapphire. So I remember seeing this Pokemon in that game. I used to play Sapphire a lot when I bought an old Nintendo Game Boy Advance. Yeah, made Game Boy Advance in those times were pretty fun. Solrock. Rockruff. Okay. Something tells me there might be a shiny in here. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna skip some of the names, so sorry if you expect me to read every single Pokemon names, but I'm just gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna do that. Sorry. I don't think there's gonna be a shiny in this one, but we still got 4 more to go, so no need to worry. And that was right. But still, it's a lovely card, though. It's a lovely card. Actually, there are a lot of Pokemon cards that have beautiful artwork, I'm not gonna lie. And to be honest, it would be cool. It would be really cool if I actually had like a Pokemon card, but with my own art design. That would be amazing. Actually, you know what? Maybe I can do that. Maybe I can try and create one. Grass Energy. Trekking Shoes. Liliton. Solrock. Audition, I think that's the name, sorry. It's weird to read it backwards. Sayar. Potion. Auron. Ooh, that's a nice card. Oh, sorry for Canyon. You look good as well, but I gotta give it to my friend Latias. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful card of Latias. And it looks like it's like flying around the little town in actually wait a minute. Did you say the little kid? No, it doesn't. But anyways, it's a nice full art card right there. A nice full art card. I absolutely love this one. It's so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant, and I also like how it's very what's that word? I can't think of a word. I'm sorry, it's just I can't think of anything for this. It's just a really good card. I really love it. So yeah, I'm gonna get a sleeve and put it in right now. Now it's safe. Now it's safe. Man, I'm not gonna lie, the newer cards are absolutely cool. Actually, was the crown of Zanef even, does it even count as a new booster pack? So I'm pretty sure it was not that long it was out. I think it was out like couple of years ago, maybe a year or two. Can't really remember. I just can't really remember. Lightning Energy. Duxlops. Yeah, that's his name. Yeah. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. I'm sorry. I'm really terrible at pronouncing some of the Pokemon names. Pronouncing their names is terrible. Metaga. Really? Metatang. I should remember that because I made that mistake last time. Jeez, my brain is really bad these days. Oh, Energy Swap. That was Energy Swap. Yeah, that's what it's called. Cypher! Email! Nah. I never really liked those Pokemon in Pokemon Sun and Moon. Those were always weird to me. I never liked those Pokemon. Lycanroc. Reverse Hollow. It's a dud. Okay, Fighting Energy. You know what's funny? I remember in Sword and Shield, you had to go to these guys in order for them to dig for fossils or like, I think it was candy. You can also ask them to dig for candy and all that kind of stuff. And it was pretty fun, but you gotta like give them a lot of like these points every time in order for them to actually continue digging for you. Energy swap. Is that the Galarian version of Meow? I think so, because I remember this Pokemon in Sword and Shield. Oh. Oh, look at Shinx. Look at the artwork, man. So cute. And it looks like I think it's sitting on a table playing with a book next to some tea and cookies. And the flower pot's behind it. That's pretty cute. I like that card. That's pretty cute. Okay. Oh, I thought... No! Double luck right there. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. I need a moment. I need a moment right now. I need a moment right now. Oh my god. Yo, that is just so cool. Look at Darkrai right there. Look at Darkrai. That is so beautiful. That is such a beautiful card right there. Oh my god. And we got a VMAX Rayquaza. Oh my god, I love Rayquaza. Rayquaza will always be one of my favorite legendary Pokemons. Literally one of my top 10 legendary Pokemons. It's like up there. But when I can't even talk properly. I cannot even talk properly. Seriously. I have to say I like the Darkrai card. Because I'm not gonna lie, Darkrai is one of my favorite mythical Pokemon. Ever since I watched that Pokemon movie, Pokemon Rise of Darkrai made Darkrai was an absolute badass character. And I just love this card. I'm trying to think, I think it's part of the in the Pokemon game, he shows up somewhere in an island. I can't really think, but at the same time, it's just so good. It's so good. Look at it. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm gonna put these in some sleeves right now. Oh my god. Okay, slowly. Easy. Okay. Whew. Oh my god, that's such a beautiful card. That's such a beautiful card. Oh my god. I hope I get lucky again in the last booster card. Sorry if I'm not talking normally. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy about this. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, I had to calm down a bit. I had to calm down a bit after that. I was literally... Whew, okay. Fire energy. Okay, give me another shiny card or full arts card. Just give me some luck. Give me some luck again. I beg you. Come on, Lucky Hat. Come on, Lucky Hat. Oh. Oh. Oh well. Oh well. At least I got the others. Actually, wait, what? Guys, I think I messed up. Yo, that's a shiny Charger bug. Sorry, I'm sorry. It's just, yo, look at that. That is so cool. I didn't know they did cards like that where it has like a shiny. Actually, no. I do know because I do have another Pokemon card that's also a shiny Pokemon. Yo. That is so cool. That is so cool. Why did I put that on the side and not look at it properly? Oh my god. Oh. Wow, today is my lucky day, I guess. That's pretty cool. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Jeez. Damn. Dang. Oh, thank you, Arceus, for giving me so much good luck. Actually, no. Thank you to Pikachu because it's the Lucky Hat. The Lucky Hat works sometimes. It works sometimes. But yeah, I just can't decide which card is my most favorite one because I actually like all of these. It was pretty cool to actually get them. Especially the Darkrai card. I like that card. That card looks so beautiful. Like I said, Darkrai is one of my favorite mythical Pokemons. And Rayquaza, mate. You know Rayquaza is one of the best legendary Pokemons. Do not fight me on that because it's true. It's true. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.